Ka yalehkai badminton ka batip kum ka open to all master veteran balapulong da ka West Giant District Badminton Association ringkat ka office district sports officer West Giant Hills hagakat arba kat ladrik nailur hasin raj indoor hall kalapoino syakabakun hapadeng ka jingsong shit da ka jinga shimbenta kiriu donsam na kiway ki district ki Kerdan Yakob hakani ka open to all master veteran ki kentop ya ka 9% plus minimum age 5%, 5% plus minimum age 10%, 10% plus minimum age 10%, 4% plus minimum age 10%. Ki ladu hakani ka Yakob ki long 6% plus minimum age 10%, layo ra da ugian ranjan bora bat bus stop New York da ka bapenram ya open biang lalu bat golden star kar buli da arpway lakat saw but arpway lakat pra. Haga kerdan 10% plus minimum age 100% ya kanam ladu lara da ugian ranjan bora but bus stop New York da ka bapenram ya rimalan pasa but golden star kar buli da kat lai la arpway but arpwar la arpsa. Haga kerdan 10% plus minimum age 100% lara da uru lalu but rimalan pasa da bapenram ya Siddhartha das but ibor lang rani da arpway la kat nyo arpasan la arpulai. Kat ba haga kerdan 9% plus minimum age 5% la job da uru lalu but yutang kema da ka bapeliam ya Dr. Peterson lamari but Demenif Shlai. Ya ki certificate ringkat kasong pisa syabarok kinong job la IT da uma krobok pasa District Sports Officer West Giant Hills ringkat kinong lambat kot ke West Giant District Badminton Association WJDBA bakentop ya uma di perbot President bat ma JM Pok ngam na lor kiway.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think no, remember once more.
I congratulate all the participants because I think that all of you didn't come here just to win but to participate. I'm very thankful to all the participants for taking part, and once again I would like to thank the President of the President of the WJDBA, Hercules Toy, the President of the Syllad Jowai, all the members of the West Giant Badminton Association, and to each and everyone present here. I am very happy, and at the same time I would like to congratulate the West Giant Badminton Association that because of their continuous effort in all these years, we could see that a lot of players have come up, and I'm very happy also just recently, that not only recently but even in the past couple of years, that the champion of Meghalaya is from West Giant District. So a big round of applause for the West Giant Association. And at the same time, I'm very thankful to the government recently concluded Meghalaya Games being held here in West Giant District. We could see a lot of sport infrastructure have been constructed, and I think most of the and I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister as well for being on my request that he support the financial assistance to all the sport associations in the district, because I believe that if the association is not strong, it will be very difficult for the government to carry forward the good work in sport. So, and I am here today as well as to show that I am with you. Please feel free to let me know in what capacity I can help you. I will be very happy, and very soon, even myself, I'll be organizing the MLA tournament of badminton. I will tell you before that, and I will request the Badminton Badminton Association to please help me on that, to run that tournament. So we'll come and sit with you to discuss in what way we can go forward, and not only that, even in the future tournament as well, I will be very happy, and I'm very happy to see as well that our friends from Assam and other states also come and join us here. You are most welcome, and once again, thank you so much for coming and encouraging our association here in the district.
But kamu waktu itu rightly pointed out that there is no future without grassroots. Nila, maybe employ that that young talent when they reach 18, 20 years, they should. We need to tap the talent way before that. So we need a grassroots training. That is very much important. I am totally with it. And what we are talking about planning, training dan jadi gini penting. Once again, I wish and congratulate the West Indian Badminton Association, and I'm very happy to see that this tournament has been a successful one. So with these few words, once again, thank you.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.